Writing exercises for beginners, 3 to 4-year-olds or first-time writers. Use your CECI Notebooks Level 1, the orange one. For time saving, you can prepare these patterns on your students' notebooks before they arrive at school. The patterns on this sheet represent some writing exercises for beginners. There are many other patterns that you can use with your students for them to practice. Just make sure to indicate with a dot the starting point where the kid should start writing and an arrow that indicates which direction the student should follow the stroke. Always make sure that your student is following these instructions. Number 1, holding correctly the pencil. Number 2, respecting the tracing lines. Number 3, understanding the meaning of the dot and starting from it. And number 4, following the correct stroke order. Make sure to do these exercises with your students before expecting them to write words in their notebooks. Oops, out of the line. Let's erase and try again. Yes, good job. That's how you do it. Well done. Keep in mind that mastering this skill is very challenging for both teacher and student. So be patient. Be aware that it might be frustrating for some students to keep erasing constantly, even little mistakes, and redoing the tracing over and over again. It might be frustrating unless you keep a good learning environment, always positive, being persistent but kind. Don't forget to motivate your students by praising their effort, building their confidence, and making them feel proud about their achievements. This will make them happy and eager to keep learning and achieving new skills. Make sure they understand well the writing rules. If you make yourself clear and they understand well, everything will run smoothly. Oops, the stroke is undone. You haven't finished it yet. You didn't finish your trace all the way down to the line. Make sure to touch the line. Oh no, are you trying to fix it from where you left it undone? No, we have to erase all the stroke and start from the beginning. Let's erase and do it again from the top. Let's start always from the dot and do one clear trace down. Good job! From the top, all the way down until we touch the line. If you have patience with your students, if you are consistent, if you motivate them and praise their efforts, your students will enjoy their learning. At the end, it's all up to us, the teachers. Let's make the best out of our students. Thanks for watching. Good luck and good teaching.